Stop cracking your neck when it hurts. You're actually making the real problem worse. That popping sound gives you 10 minutes of relief, but it's just masking deep damaged tissue underneath. It creates hypermobility and keeps the real inflammation trapped. At the Wellness Way Shrewsbury, we use SoftWave Therapy to stop chasing symptoms. These acoustic waves penetrate deep into the tissue, shutting down chronic inflammation and triggering your body's own cellular repair to actually heal the root cause. Stop cracking it, start healing it. Click below to book your session today.